Okay, outliers are a statistical element that we come across where we come across data that is unusual in the set of data. Now, sometimes this is because there's been an error in the collection. Sometimes this is just because of natural variation, okay? So, for example, if you were asking kids for answers and they really didn't hear the question, they might say 15 when they thought you were asking them how many donuts they ate rather than how many brothers or sisters they had. But at the same time, if you ask someone how many brothers and sisters they had and they had 15, then maybe they do have 7 brothers and 8 sisters and they've got 15 siblings. So with that though, normally what you'll see in most graphs is this cluster of data. Okay, so you can see here for the number of siblings, most people have between 0 and 2. Okay, so family sizes where the family would have 1, 2 or 3 or 4 children. Okay, so they're clustered here, and as they get away from that number, they start to decrease. But all of a sudden you get this one up here where it's got 9, okay? So that would be what we would term an outlier because it's a very unusual result, okay? If it was just here at the 6, we wouldn't call it an outlier, but it's normally a couple of places removed from all the rest of the data, okay? So that's on a plot, a dot plot graph. If you look down here at this stem and leaf, and we can see from the key here, that we've got the 1.5 here is referring to 150, okay? And the number here is in the units column. These are attendances at a museum. So 156, 160, 170, 180. So that's the usual number attending this particular exhibit. And then down the bottom here, we have this unusual result of 235, okay? Which would tell us that whatever exhibit that is incredibly popular because more people are going to that than usually go to look at things at the museum. And you can see there's quite a gap between that and the previous results. So that's outliers, okay? So look out for